Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So as discussed in yesterday's analysis, the market has reacted in the same manner, Nifty and Bank Nifty both. We have a good resistance at 25,000 in Nifty. So breaking the 25,000 level is not that easy. It will be in uptrend. So market was sideways only. So Nifty has closed with 93 points. So Bank Nifty in 5 minutes, it also has been stuck in a small range today because the big player have made a short straddles to eat the premium, and it was a monthly expiry. That's why they have kept the Bank Nifty sideways and it has closed 54 points positive. So now let's check the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player plan for August series. We'll follow by FII. In future index, at long they were having 66% long, at short they were having 34% short. So today they have reduced the long, increased the short by 1%. They have 65% long and 35% short. In option index, at call they were having 3.18 lakhs of call buying. Today they have added 45,000 contracts. So they have 3.64 lakhs of call buying now. At a put side, they were having 2.24 lakhs of put buying. Now they have added huge contract of 2 lakh. So they have 4 lakh 23,000 of put buying. So here slight negative we can see in options. They have good number of put buying versus call buying, but there are slight positive in future index. But we have seen in cash market they have sold for 3,462 crores. Option buying versus selling, call buying they have 58%, call writing 42%, put buying 57%, put writing 43%. Client other retailers in future index, they were having 47% long, 53% short. Today they have reduced 1% long, increased 1% short, 46% long they have and 54% short. At option index at call they were having 1.85 lakhs of call writing contract by yesterday. Today they have increased 1.45 lakh contracts. So they have 3.31 lakhs of call writing contract, and in put they were having 3.63 lakhs of put writing contract. They have increased the put writing by 1 lakh contract, so they have 4.64 lakhs of put writing as well. Client having a positive view in option, but they are making a straddles I believe, and they are neutral in futures. And cash market they have sold for 531 crores. And in option buying versus selling, they have 49% call buying, 51% call writing, 48% put buying, 52% put writing. Proprietor desk in future index, they were having 43% long, 57% short. Today they have increased in futures long 52% and 48% short. It means 9% they have increased the long, reduced the short by 9%. So they become neutral as of now. In option index, at call side they were having 1.35 lakhs of call writing contracts. So today they have unwinded a good number of contract, 1 lakh contracts. So they still holding 35,000 contract in call writing. At put they were having 1.82 lakhs of put writing contract. Now they have created a positive contract at put side. They have 2.82 lakhs of put writing contract now. So see, they are bullish in options, but they are neutral in future index, but they are purchasing in cash market. They purchase for 559 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have 49% call buying, 51% call writing, 46% put buying, 54% put writing. Now let's check the change in OI. Nifty tomorrow expiry 1st August. So we have seen a good number of put writing addition from 24,500 to 24,950. So super positive it is showing the put writers, whereas call writers were unwinded their positions at 24,800 to 24,900. So now we have a good support and resistance at 25,000 only, and I believe it is going to break by tomorrow because all the contractors bullish only, whereas call writers are not sitting anywhere. We can see a call buyers here. So that's why Nifty is bullish for tomorrow. So Bank Nifty, the next expiry will be on 7th August, and we have seen a huge number of short straddles at 51,500 now. 52,000 level will be a key resistance level till now we are seeing, and I think in Bank Nifty also there should be a good momentum on a higher side because we are seeing a good call buyers till 53,000 and call writers are sitting from 53,300. Now let's check the technical analysis. Before that we'll see US market. Nasdaq is trading super positive by 2%. It is 400 points high, and Dow is trading positive only by 96% high. So today there is a FOMC meeting in US, so there will be a discussion about the rate cut. If there is a rate cut, that's a very good for the stock market. So that's why I believe most of them have created a very good long position in open interest change. We have seen that. So let's see Nifty in 1 day time frame. It has made a positive candle today. So as we discussed, it has stuck in a very small range. So hopefully it has to break tomorrow if FOMC is not creating a mess in US market. So Banknifty in 1 day time frame, it has made a doji candle, and we have seen it is also has been stuck in a very small range. So 52,000 level is a crucial level. I believe this is going to break by tomorrow because the open interest has been created positive. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like it, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.